Welcome back. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about some basic terminologies that we use in the forex trading market. Just like every other industry has their terminologies. Now these are some basic forex terminologies that as a newbie or as a beginner you might get confused, or it might take you time to understand them. Firstly, I want to talk about entry. So when you hear entry is a point whereby you initiate a trade. So any point whereby I buy or sell, that is my entry point. So when you hear entry, that's when you initiated the trade. The next thing I want to talk about is position. Position is any trade opened. So if I open a trade, now we call it position. I opened a position, either buy or sell. It's called a position. So far I opened a trade. So the next thing I want to talk about, long. When you hear long means buy. It's like a slang. So when I say I'm on a long position, I'm on a long trade, long means buying. The next thing is short. Short is the opposite of long. It means selling. So when I say I'm on a short position, that means I'm on a selling trade or a sell trade. Bullish. When you hear bullish, it means the market is on a buy. The market is on a long. It is rising. So when the market is rising, going up, we say the market is a bullish market. Now bearish. Bearish is the opposite of bullish. Bearish is when the market is selling or when the market is going down. So when you hear the market is bearish today, the dollar is bearish, that means the dollar is selling, the dollar is going down, it's depreciating. Bulls. Bulls is connected with the bullish. So people that are buying in the market, let's say now you or me are buying in the market, that means I'm a bull at that moment. At that moment that you are buying, it means you are a bull. Bears. Bears is the opposite of bulls. So at that point whereby you are selling or the market is selling, the people that are selling in that market, they are called bears. So when you hear bears, it means people that are selling or sellers are in the market. The bears are in the market. Take profits, TP, short form. Normally they use it as TP. This is a point whereby you set in the market. In case you are not in the market, when it gets to this level, you should take your profits. So most times they use it as TP, take profit. Stop loss, I spoke about it in case you didn't watch my video. SL, normally it's used in the short form SL, which means stop loss. So it's like a point whereby you are in a losing trade, it should take you out at this point. So when I lose so amount, please take me out so I won't have more losses. The next thing I want to talk about is pips. This is a very big topic, but I just want to talk about it shortly before I talk more on it on my next video or in the future. Pips is the short form of percentage in points. Now these pips are the movement in price. So let's say dollar was at 1 2 3 4 5. Let me write it down for you. Let's say dollar was at 1.00000 and it moved to 1.0001. This one now is called 1 pip. It moves to 2, it's called 2 pips. So this is where the profit is at. Pips, percentage in points. So anytime you hear pips, you know that it's called percentage in points. Now this is just part 1 for the basic terminologies used in forex.